In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate time in Google Sheets. We'll walk through setting up your sheet so it understands time properly, and then we'll calculate the hours between a start time and an end time with a simple formula. Start by opening Google in your browser. At the top right, click the small grid icon to open the Google Apps menu and choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets where you can access your spreadsheets. Open the document you want to work on. If you're starting from a template that tracks time in and time out, great. If not, make sure your time entries look like real times, such as 9 o'clock a.m. or 17:30, not text like 9 a.m. without a space. Next, highlight the cells that contain your time entries. With those cells selected, go to the menu at the top, click Format, hover over Number, and choose Time. This tells Google Sheets to treat those values as clock times instead of plain text. If your times don't convert, or you see unexpected values, double-check that you typed a valid time and that your locale settings match your preferred format, whether that's AM, PM, or 24-hour. Now click the empty cell where you want the total time worked to appear, usually in a column labeled Duration or Hours. Before entering a formula, set how this result should display. Go to Format, hover over Number again, and select Duration. Duration is important because it shows lengths of time, like 0330 EO, and can handle totals beyond 24 hours, unlike a standard time of day format. With that result cell active, type an equals sign. Then click the timeout cell for the same row, type a minus sign, and click the time in cell. You'll see a formula that looks like equal timeout cell, time in cell. Press Enter. If everything is formatted correctly, the result appears as a duration such as 0330 OTU. If you see a date or a decimal number instead, reapply the duration format to the result cell. If you see a row of number signs, just widen the column. A few quick tips as you review your results. If your shift crosses midnight, a simple subtraction may produce a negative duration. That scenario requires a different setup, so make sure start and end times fall on the same day for this basic method. Also, ensure each time cell is truly a time value. Text disguised as time won't calculate correctly. That's it. Open Sheets, format your time columns as time, set your result cell to duration, subtract time in from timeout, and press Enter to calculate the hours worked cleanly and accurately.